Wake the town and tell the people, yard style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pleasant morning to all the lovely people watching this video right now. Welcome back to Yard Style Fishing Adventure. Now, over the past week, I've been out there on the sea, meaning my job, my 9 to 5 job, caused me to be out there because we had some bad weather. So on our way back, we caught 2 tuna. So this morning, what I go do? I go Escovitch some tuna and I go bring them to work. Me and the guys them, alright. So I go jump into the kitchen now. The fish they done clean up and scale already from the same day we caught them. So I go jump into the kitchen, I go fry them up, I go make up the Escovitch sauce, and I go pack them up in a dish, a cover dish or something like that, and I go bring them to work with me. So everybody can actually get some, alright. So I run into the kitchen right now. So stay tuned, alright? Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Alright, now people, so see the tuna, yeah? Well, cut up and clean up already and wash up. So, what I gotta do now, I get the oil hot and thing to get them fry up. Now, what I gonna put on them, right here, I have some salt and black pepper. I also have a fish seasoning right here. So that I go up on the fish. Over here I have my carrot and my pepper and my onion. That I go use to make the Escovitch. And this is the vinegar, yeah? Yeah, man. So I get cooking right now, people. Alright now people, so I get some seasoning from them. So this is it. We did mix up a while ago. So I'm just season up some of them. I'm going to put in the pot right now. Not too much. Okay, just like that. That ready for fry. Yeah, man, Escovitch tuna. It's going to go nice. This is going to be nice. Yep. So the oil up on the fire. Now the pot are going hot right now. While I go and season up a couple pieces of these. And soon can't go in right now because the oil get hot. It's gone in the house, you know. Alright, now time to get them in the pot. As the pot hot, you know. Okay, so these are the first set piece. I'm going to fry up right now. In the meantime, I'm going to go and clean up the onion and the carrot then. Alright now peeps, so I'm going to go and season up the rest. Then go and marinate. Seasoning go and soak in them, you know. While them one there go and fry. And then after that I go cut up the onion and the carrot and the pepper to make the Escovitch. Yeah. Now all of this flesh apart where the right of the head there, so a lot of flesh right here. I know what they call a part of fish there, you know. Now when they buy fish neck. Fish have neck. Well, me I call it fish neck, you know. The part there neck. Yeah, pot of bubble. It's a lot of fish, people. Almost finished now. We also have the head them. We cut them in half. So we are going to fry them too. Everything I get fried today. Season them up nice. Fry them. Cutting board I get over full now. Almost finished still. And then I go turn them one day and look like them just about ready to turn. We call this a wing. Fish wing. Ah boy. The fish have wing and neck. Alright, so this is basically almost it. Boom. And now these are the heart, the fish heart. And I'm gonna fry them as well. Season them up same way to fry. And then these are some fish roe. I'm gonna fry them fish roe at the same way. Alright, so we're gonna turn them on here now. Let them fry really nice and golden. Yep, so more of them looking up. Golden brown. Right, Tuna. Like that. Alright, see the roe them now. We'll season them up now. Fish roe we call them. The expensive names for them are caviar. Yeah. Fish egg, you know. Same treatment them I get, people. Same seasoning and everything. Yep. That's it. Fish egg, fish roe. Everything I get fried to the people. Alright now people, so we have to take out the first set of them out of the pot. Got them on here fry already. And we have to put them on the cutting board to go and drain out, you know. Yeah. Look at nice golden brown color. Very nice. Look at that. Alright, let me open this one so you can actually see inside. Well steaming, see it there? Well fried and nice, people. Yeah people, so now the reason why I fry these ones golden brown like this, because a lot of people really don't like the flavor of the tuna, the texture of the tuna. So when you fry them dry, being that I'm going to bring it to work, I know some of the people really not going to eat if you don't fry it too dry. So that's why I fry them like this. Alright, so I'm going to add another set to the pot. Notice the technique, put them in the oil. So I fry them, just put a little touch in the oil, and then I flip it over. Don't make it touch all the way to the bottom of the pot, or it's like a stick. When you flip over the fish from the other side, it actually not stick. There's another way you can do it as well. You can actually put down the fish in the pot, slide it a little, and then I use that spoon or something to just pour some of the hot oil on top of this one. So actually give it a little blaze. So when I flip it over, you know, burn. You know? smaller piece to add to that right now. Because you can see. Alright now people, so this is how we never put them in. Use a file paper and cover it. So I'm going to rest them 1 year night. So I'm going to need the cutting board right now to cut up the onion and the thing then. So I'm going to put them in that. Yep. It's gonna come out nice. The higher the right temperature and everything. Yeah. Alright now people, so I'm gonna clean up them onion here. Clean up the carrots and the pepper. And then there we go. And we go three of them onion there. Or based on the amount of fish I use 4. Alright. I'm going to use a couple pepper as well. You know, Escovitch if you have the spice, you know, the Scotch bonnet pepper them there. And you use one more yellow. And you know, one of the carrots. Alright, so that's how we ever use in there to make the Escovitch, alright? Yeah, so I'm going to clean up these now. Yep, so stripping the onions now. Put off the outer layer, that's the brown part there. You will see only the whitish looking part. Alright, so this is the first one. Get it rinsed off right away. Next thing we then say, when you cut onion and thing, prevent them from burning your eye, wet it. Actually, I don't know if it works because whenever I cut onion, I hold it far and hold my hand way down, so it can't get to reach my eye, you know. But whenever I remember to wet it, I always wet it. So if anybody knows that this works, you can just drop it in the comment section and let me know if it works. carrots. I'm going to use straight the carrot. Scraping the carrots. I like peel carrot. Them one, the other ones in the pot sound like them ready, so I'm going to get them out of the pot right now. This can hold everything. Hopefully it can. Wash off the scotchy them, you know. Yeah. So I actually never cut one of the onions them. I never cut one of them, so I cut up them here first and then see how it look, and if see like I want another one, then I put another one there. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to use for now. Alright, so first of all, I cut up the onion. Escovitch. buy them big knife there, you know. I buy a nice set. Yeah, work better. Nice set work better, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna try to cook them in some perfect onion rings with this knife that I have. Based on what I'm seeing right now, the 3 onions look like them can work, and I think I'm gonna need them more than the 3. Yep, so this is the last one. And then I'm going to turn the next set of fish. Yep. Alright, so this is the onion cut up. And now I go with the carrot now. Now with the carrot, I will do the carrot. Cut it down the middle. Like that. Boom. And then try cut some strips out of it. As thin as possible. Right, meaning like this, and thin strips like this out of the carrot. See him? So yeah, I try to do all of them like that. Cut some strips out of it. Alright, so 4 strips on that side. And more. Alright. So first that you do, you strip the carrot them. Let me just check on these, see if them ready. Alright people, so I'm back. These are the carrots. Look like good amount. So I don't think never cut the other one either. And next up we have the pepper. So these are my selection. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the rest of fish them to the pot, then I come back and cut up the peppers. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright now people, so alright now people, so I'm back with the pepper. Some nice wings, you know. The onion rings and the pepper rings are major features in the Escovitch. Yeah man, the Escovitch look proper when them look, they have the rings like these, you know. Yeah, now one knife it make it taste good too. Yeah. Another yellow one in there. You know the colors, you know. And then I'm gonna go with one of the extra green ones. Lift the color some more. I will go with one more. Alright, so that is what I'm going to work with. Yeah man, this is what I'm going to work with today. Just a good pepper, carrot, and onion. Looks like good amount to me. Alright, so we're moving these ones from the pot now. Time is actually against me. Time is against me. I like to go to work. So I'm going to try to hurry up these ones now. I'm going to have like one more spot after this. looking now. I can get the 50 rolls to fit in the pot right now. This is actually going to be the last slice. You can actually get the rolls on time. Alright, so they're actually not going to fit. So I still got to make one more try. But I'm going to put it on another burner and then I'll make the Escovitch sauce, alright? Alright guys, so this is the pot for the Escovitch. Alright, so in the pot for the Escovitch now, I got to pour a little oil. Not a lot. That's good enough. Let the oil catch a little bit of heat. Now, so we are going to get the thing them in the oil. Just going to carrot, the onion and everything inside there. Me alone now, nobody to hold the camera. So doing it as best as possible. Alright, there we go. And then you get in some pepper. Yep. You get these moved around, you know. Get them rolling. So we get these mixed up. Onion, pepper, carrot, everything, you know. Escovitch. Yeah. And then one more thing that is very important to the Escovitch is the vinegar. So we're going to get that in there in just a second. Let's see if we can just turn another one. Yeah. So I'm going to get the vinegar now in the Escovitch, alright? Yeah. Alright, so vinegar. Now put a whole lot. Just enough. Alright. Vinegar inside here. And then wow, it smells good. Smells damn good. Yep. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm cover it down a little. So about 30 seconds or so, and that should be good. Let me make it ready. Alright now people, so this is supposed to ready, you know. Yeah man. It's ready. Ready. So what happened, this that I had them in first, not gonna hold. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some inside another cover dish and see how it works, alright? Yeah. Alright now people, so what I did, I put some in the plate. I'm going to add some of this on it. Then I add some more fish on top. Just a couple more pieces because we can't hold all that. I need to get a spoon so I can actually get some of this on it. Yep. get a couple more slices of the fish on this one. And then I'll probably just use another smaller cover dish if this holds most of it. I'll probably have to use this because smaller one may not be able to hold what's left. Especially that I have the head, the big piece of head in there. Right. And I need to break it up like that and fit it into the spaces. You know? So we are going to make it work. It have to work today. Right, so that looks like more than the plate can hold. I should actually say, now I'm going to take out that piece there. Break this piece there, piece here. Alright? And then add some more of this sauce to it. Some more of the Escovitch. Yeah, people, look at that. It's looking wonderful. Yeah, man. So, I'm actually going to get some of this on it. Keep them nice and juicy. And this is for the other plate. That what is left is for the other plate, alright? Yeah, man. Alright, so I think I am going to have to actually use this one. So I'm going to take out the rest of the fish and put in this, alright? Yeah. Just going to place them in there for now and then I'll actually pack them properly. Now these are the hearts. Everything that's right, you know. Yep. That's it. So just one more fry, and the fish ready. Alright, so you hear the fire get calmed down now, that means it ain't gonna turn. Alright now people, so see if I can line up them here properly. Alright, so we work with it like that. I use some foil paper to wrap that and bring it. Make sure we get everything on it, not saving back any. Yep. Right, so there you go. Pot empty. Escovitch looking well ready, people. Look at that. Look at that. Escovitch tuna. Yeah man, Escovitch tuna, people. It's a lot of fish, you know. When I go to work and the guys see this, they are going to be excited. Yep. Alright now people, so the fish were them done fry, you know. So I'm going to add them to this. That's one piece right there. Put them nice and neat, you know. Yep, so I finish. Look at the Escovitch on it. Actually gather some of the flavor by the time we get to work. So people, stay tuned until we get to work. So stay tuned until we get to work, people. I'm actually going to take my camera with me, so I can actually on the break time, we can actually see the crew members' reaction. Alright, so stay tuned for that as well.
Yard style. Tuna. Well, Escovitch.
Yes.
Yard style alone.
Alright. The them here.
Yes, sir. Eating.
Where's Nyamin style?
I said that. Shiny. Look at this. One plate done already.
Nice.
One plate done already. Just put on one plate done.
Yes. Tuna get demolished. The blade there, I'll cook food when we don't say.
Yo.
Yeah.
See life.
Well, nice. Escovitch tuna. People, this is mad sauce.
Yes. Otherwise, radical.
What?
Radical tragedy and majesty. Here. Tastes real good.
So, did not give it a nine barra? Yeah? No barra, no. Me not get no barra for fries. Are you got a copy? You show them play like it. You want to show them what more fire, man. You should want to play like that, man.
You're going to tell me that you don't finish when you need. You can't put this tail out. You want to see how I can talk about it. Yeah, you try this guy. When you pass me now, that's the normal. I'm losing it.
That boy left hand
Are you?
over there. Now we go over there and shine like that. So the fuck is that? If you want to put it on
Yeah, to put on that.
and then see guy go over there, go full up in that boat, go and drop and lift my head and then come
Yeah,
back.
but we can't just plug it down now.
No, no, please.
And then tell you boom up.
Hey, tell me them throw the back of what the man and the man belly cut up. The man belly is cut up. And pull up that no man.
Pull up back to the spoon, yeah? Pull up to some spoon now. I can't pull, yeah?
Can I use it?
I can't pull, yeah?
Can I use it? We're not playing a fool.
I can't put somebody in the name and you want to have to one over there. Name and you want to paper. So the normally them pay for then eat and drink. I mean, go to this one, brother. We'll go over on the boat and come. Tell them where the man is.
One paper.
Still little food no man. You don't watch food so man.
Young guy. I'm in class, you know, see? Boy, you are not moving, guys. I want to talk about it. Look, you know, be around that.
I mean, I'm not going to back here.